Our parts cleaning process depends on the parts. Before we start anything, we talk to the customer, we get sample parts from them to assess the process that we need to build for the customer and ensure quality specifications are met. Once that's met, then we create a work instruction within our Job Shop software. The work instruction guides the way the parts move through the operation. We can either go through a burn-off process, controlled pyrolysis process for paint removal, or we can do chemical paint removal, rust removal. We clean for the automotive industry, lawn and garden, aerospace, furniture industry, pretty much any metalworking industry. For the automotive industry, we specifically focus on paint hooks or production aids or jigs, and these production aids are removed, sent to us. We remove the paint from those production aids and ship them back to the customer. The work that we do can save a customer money in the long run. We're able to clean those parts so they can put those back into production and help them increase their margins. We are highly focused on the customer. We monitor metrics on a continuous basis to ensure that we can consistently do the work. We are a family-run operation. We're very close-knit. We look out for each other, and we do the same thing with our customers.